Hello and welcome to my Sunday front. Today I have a little haul, and it's because like it's Christmas is coming up. So I think this is more like stuff that I wanted to use while this week passed. And like I planned on being indoors most of the week, which I have been. So let's open up the small ones first. So this one, I have a tier milk toner. And I didn't know or I didn't remember that this was made of rice. And I had been looking for one. And I know that last time I had purchased it and it was only $3 right for this little thing. And I was like, I use it a lot, so I'm just gonna buy it. And you know, I'll just use it up and then like, you know what I mean? Like I'll just put this into what I already am doing because like I feel like in the long run it'll be beneficial, even though it's just like a small amount, like, so I have a short period of time to use it in. I just feel like I really wanted it, and I wasn't sure about buying the whole big old bottle because I wasn't sure if I was going to use it in the long run. But I mean, I liked it, so I wanted to use it right now. And it was $3, like 3.50 or something, so I got it. This is called Milk Skin Toner. It's a light, refreshing toner, it says. It's soothing and moisturizing. So, like when you wash your face or whatever, I think this is the next step before lotion. So, there's that. And then when I do go out, guys, when I do go out, I like to bring water. Sometimes I like to bring something with me, or I like to film there, or I like to just hang out and eat or do whatever. And whatever I bring, you know, I don't like carrying like disposable bags because like that's not good for the environment. So when I do go for walks or hikes or whatever, I like to bring a little bag, and this is perfect because you can put books in it, you can put whatever, makeup or anything at any point in time. It's washable, easily washable. You can just flip it inside out, wash it and hang dry it to keep the color. You can iron it. It's like perfect. It has a little pocket in here for little things, like you can put, if you want toner with you, you can put your toner in there and just carry it like this. And it's like got a little phrase on it. It says go outside to look inside, and I thought that was cute. I don't know why I thought it was cute, but it just reminded me of like fairies, and they always live in like a kind of like a cute little, like a little um a little a little cute little whimsical chateau. And then of course I got these because I've been trying to make my charms into something. Oh, I didn't know these were very gold. I thought they were kind of gold. I thought they were kind of rustic looking, but these are real hardcore Mr. T gold, which I like. Don't get me wrong, it's just I wasn't expecting it. So I was thinking I would use one, and this one's cute. This one, um, and I recently got more, so I don't know. I can probably use like one of these, which has three initials, and then I can give my mom the rest of these. And so I'll put this up for her. And yeah, like I said, I just needed the one. and I'll put this away. But this is the next thing that I got. Let's see if I can open it. It already tells me what's in it, so I'm really excited to open it. What do you think about that? $2.99 for this. Oh yeah, and I spent like $2 for that, and these cost about the same price. So everything was under $5 so far. And these are holiday cookies by Dukes. And I was gonna get 2, but I was like, that'd be $6. And plus, I like Mexican cookies, but I like all of the kinds of cookies. And look how cute it comes with a little bit of packaging that's, you know, cute. It has like a little thank you and Spanish, Felices Fiestas. It says, life tastes better together, juntas la vida sabe mejor. And this is so cute. I bought this because I wanted to eat them on Easter. It's just me, so it's not like people are gonna mind that I open it. Let's just see what it looks like. I didn't expect this. This is super cute. And it's got to and from. And then you open it like that. And there's all the flavors. This is really cute. The other one's like $4, right? Like 3 something. These are $2.99 on sale. So, I mean, again, it's like preference. Only the other ones I think are a little bit bigger. But these are like holiday overstock, I guess. But these come with different flavors. It doesn't have like an explanation of which ones are which. But look at how cute. They come with like red. That's just like, it just tastes like just cream. These look like coconut bars. Those are cute. These have sprinkles on them, sugar sprinkles. So most of these are just bars, except for one sandwich cookie. But to be honest, they taste like bakery goods. So these are kind of like, they taste like fresh bakery. So I'm gonna eat this with my Easter dinner, but I want to see what it is. And then here's the cream wafers, and they're red too. So these are chocolate flavor. Those wafers are really cute. Like, they're thin wafers, so like they're light. I think they're like dainty and stuff, but the flavor is all there. The thing with me and cream wafers, you know, when you get like a Nutter Butter, or like the ones that I buy that are protein, they're really like thick and rich and stick to your gums. Left my butt off. Everything's like bigger or littler than I thought. Of course, I have medicine. And then I bought these Zolly gummies. These are supposed to clean your mouth after you eat. Ew. So this is what they look like. These are in the flavor strawberry. These are xylitol based. So they like clean your teeth. These are for children. These were on sale for like under $3. They were $2 something. They say they're keto friendly and vegan. And these are always on sale for $5. Laxative pill, tablet form. These I got for like $6. And I like wearing slippers like around the house. The only time I really don't like wearing slippers is when I'm cleaning. But look, they gave me an extra pair. So I can give one to my mom. The other one. And these are in the size, I think they're in the size, let me see. Yeah, actually, I don't remember what size I got. I wonder if they have a tag on them or something. I think they're in 7 or 6.5. I will show them to you because I really like them. And I wanted to wear them around the house, but now I'm thinking maybe not. They're so darling. They were under $6 and I had to have them. It's like a little cute little stuffed animal, and the stuffed animal is super soft. It has ears and it's floofy in the inside too. They're like cloud, kind of like the Yeezys. It says 40-41, so I think these would fit if you had 7.5. I'll put them back and probably let's see. We go like this. You have to look at the back to see which one goes where. But aren't they so darling? So I like my haul. And it came with these free shoes. And I guess I will give this stuff to my mom. And she can use these. These are slippers like when you get out the shower. And that way you don't slip and fall in the water. And but thank you guys for watching. I give this haul a 10 out of 10 because food, jewelry making, crafting, hiking, like everything that you know what I'm saying. Like this is my Easter week, and just trying to get all the things I need because you know what I mean. Like it's kind of muggy outside, but sometimes you just gotta get outside and take advantage of the weather. And so whenever I see sun, I try to get out and stay out. And that's why I bought my little adventure bag, put some snacks in there, and then head out and enjoy the day. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. And I hope you have a good rest of the week. And prepare for your weekend because the holiday is coming. And yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to see my 3-piece if you haven't checked that out already. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on the next one, my Sunday Front. Bye-bye.